All right, let's talk more business news now. Tyler Alston from Business in Vancouver joins us. Good morning, Tyler.
Good morning, Sonia.
Let's start off with GDP numbers. They're out for November, so what are they telling us?
Well, they're telling us that there's actually some signs of life in the economy right now. This is actually the first growth that we've seen since August, in fact. Now, if we take a look at the numbers, I'll break it down just a little bit. Now, GDP growth for November went up 0.3%. compared with no growth in the month previous and a decline of 0.5% in September. So this looks like good news, of course. You know, if we take a look at what industries are doing well, of course, BC relies a lot on real estate. That's up 2.1%. Oil and gas, which we all know is a big factor in the Canadian economy, that's up 2.1% as well. Other notable things, retail trade, that's up a little bit. Manufacturing, that's also key here because maybe it's showing some signs that we are getting more exports going with the weakened Canadian dollar, which is exactly what the Bank of Canada wants. However, let's temper it with what the economists are saying. Of course, it's good that there's growth going on in November, but they don't forecast any other growth really going on in December. This is according to BMO. And the Bank of Canada, looking ahead to the overall quarter, the fourth quarter, they're not predicting that this boost that we see in the month of November will be able to actually give a boost to the overall quarter. They're predicting a flat quarter four to end the year. So the one highlight that I can point out, though, is that the BC economy is expected to be the leader among all the other provinces. This is according to a number of reports, notably TD economists came out with their own report this week. So at least BC is doing well.
Just a tiny silver lining in that cloud then. Quarterly earnings that are out for tech giants, Microsoft and Amazon. What are they telling us?
Well, you know, maybe it's a tale of two tech giants, as, you know, both companies surprised analysts, but for very different reasons. If we take a look at Microsoft numbers, they actually beat analyst expectations. They had revenue of 25.7 billion US and net income or profits of about 5 billion US. Now, this is significant because they're actually doing a lot better when it comes to their cloud services and Office 365 sales. So that's notable there. But Amazon, they had revenue of 35.7 billion and profit of 482 million. These are all U.S. numbers. The reason why Amazon, they did not quite meet expectations is because this is reporting during the holiday season. They did not quite do as well during the Christmas shopping time as analysts were expecting. In fact, analysts were expecting profit closer to around $750 million US, so it was about half that. So the big issue here, though, is that Amazon is still in invest mode. They're still spending a lot. They just introduced same-day shipping to all major cities across North America. So there were high expectations for Amazon, and they just didn't quite get there.
All right. Well, Tyler, we'll leave it there for now. Thank you. Those numbers look pretty good to me, but
I would take them.
Yeah, I would take them, exactly, especially in the times we're living in. Tyler Alston from Business in Vancouver, thank you very, very much for that.